And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to create an optical illusion logo in Adobe Illustrator. The example is fairly simple. Only thing that we need are rectangles and circles. Make sure on the view that the smart guides and snap to point are activated. We use a black fill and no stroke color. Let's start with the rectangle. I hold Shift, then I drag a copy out of it with the selection tool V, hold Alt for that, and then press Ctrl D. We've got 3. We'll copy these 3. Once again with the selection tool, hold Alt when you do that, rotate it holding Shift, and then reposition that to have this plus sign. And now we'll create the circles. Let me use a red fill color for now. I'll go to the anchor point on the left hand side, and then I hold Shift and Alt and go to the top anchor point. This is the size that we need. And we need 3 more circles, so once again, selection tool holding Alt, and then dragging them out of there. Now I hold Ctrl and I position them on top of the anchor points of the plus sign. Now select it all, use the shape builder tool. We only want to use black and white, so I make the fill black and I click on the 3/4 circles, and then I hold Alt and I get rid of the remaining quarter of the circles. Don't forget this center rectangle. And this is it. This is how you can recreate this optical illusion logo design in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.